Alright guys, I have a good one for you guys today. It's been a while since I posted a video. It's been like 3 weeks after my grandpa passed away and a lot of stuff going on with work. I just kind of haven't had the motivation to post a video, but we are back. We are going to get into the groove of everything, and today we're doing a Subaru video, but it's not the typical Subaru that I've had on my channel before. And how you guys know, I used to own a blah blah WRX. Look at that LB7 smoke, baby! Because it's freaking America Day, that's why. Alright guys, so anyway, welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you're stopping in, do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below. I post a lot of automotive content. I have an LB7 Duramax, I have 2 3rd-gen Camaros, and a 4-door Jeep. Now, I haven't really talked about this, but it'll be in another video. We are probably getting rid of the Jeep, and I will tell you guys why at a later time. But today, we're going to talk about the Subaru BRZ. Do the sad truth, give some pros, give some cons, do some exhaust clips, accelerations, all that fun stuff. So stay tuned. We're going to start. Well, actually, the video already started, so let's start Alright, so before we get into the pros and the cons of the BRZ, we are going to start off by just kind of reading off some facts, some specs. So the BRZ obviously comes with a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder Subaru Boxer engine. Now, as you guys know, I love the sound of a Boxer motor. I don't think there's a single person out there that hates the sound of a Subaru, especially with an NVIDIA exhaust. It doesn't matter whether it's raining inside here. Anyway, so obviously, the Boxer engine, no matter whether it's NA or it's boosted, you put an NVIDIA exhaust or even an eBay exhaust like I did on my Subaru, you get a such nice sounding exhaust. The MPGs are up to 25 city and 34 highway, and the curb weight ranges from 2,700 to 2,800 pounds. The exact numbers are 2,762 and 2,823. So I actually forgot to add this in. The BRZ does a 0 to 60 in 6.4 seconds. So quite frankly, it is a really, really light car. I just feel like kind of lacks that power just to give it that little bit of oomph. But unlike most Subarus, the BRZ comes in rear-wheel drive, which is really cool. You see a lot of people drift them. You see a lot of people do all sorts of different things. So now we're going to get into pros and cons. Pros. They look very, very sleek. In my opinion, the BRZ is something very different than most Subaru vehicles. When people think of Subaru, they think of STI. Majority of people, car people think of STI. Obviously, you have your people that are into the Outbacks and all that other stuff. But the overall appeal of the car is very, very different. It was like Subaru brought this out, and it was like, oh, holy crap. Now, obviously, it's the same thing as the FRS in the 86. But one major thing that I hate about BRZs, and this is not a bash towards BRZs, FRSs, or 86s. Look at all the YouTubers that have a BRZ, FRS, or 86. Now, granted, I've been watching TJ Hunt since his BRZ was white, before he even wrapped it red the first time. So you got TJ, you got Calvin, Dustin Williams just got one. What's the Tanner Fox, or whatever the hell his name is. B is for Build. They all have a BRZ 86 or an FRS. Now, obviously, TJ's boosted. A boosted BRZ is very, very nice. Even a tuned NA BRZ, quite frankly, and this is, like I said, is not the bash, anybody who has a tuned BRZ, it's not like it's some type of screaming powerhouse. It's really not. And I don't think that like when people buy the BRZ, they expect it to be like this super fast car. I mean, it definitely fits the tone and the price range for what it is as a, we'll just say, a sports car. It is kind of like your lower end sports car. It is a very nice vehicle. The interior is very nice on the cars. I personally have never driven one before. I've teetered the idea of maybe looking into getting one, but then I'm like, okay, well, I want a daily, but I also want a daily that's something with balls. And that's not, like I said, that's not a bash towards the BRZ. I just don't have the time or the money to boost the BRZ. I would love to have one, trust me, I would love to have one. But then in the same token, why not just buy an STI? That's the way that I look at it. The BRZs are awesome. I think when they have the Rocket Bunny kit on them, they are gorgeous. Like I said, TJ's, even Calvin's, you know, different body kit that he has on his. I think a lowered wide body BRZ is to die for. I think they are freaking awesome. Now, for those of you guys that have been a part of the channel for a while, or even if you are new here, I am very big on being different, okay? So obviously there's a lot of YouTubers that have BRZs, FRSs, and 86s, and that's awesome. You know, when you look at some of these YouTubers, the BRZ is what made their channel what it is. I just think it's almost like a song that you listen to on a radio, where eventually when they play it too much, you get bored of it and you're tired of hearing it, or you're tired of seeing that car because everybody does the same thing to it. I mean, even in the small town that I live in, there's BRZs everywhere. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and like a little bit of tidbit on the BRZ. Like I said, overall I love the BRZ, don't get me wrong. Would I personally own one? No, I wouldn't, just because they're so common and I like being different. But if you guys stick around for the remaining of the video, there will be burnouts, there will be exhaust clips, there will be accelerations, and there will be wide body, bagged, lowered freaking BRZs. So, if this was your first time watching a video on my channel, I hope you give this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below. We are on pace to hit 8,800 subscribers this year, which is crazy to think about because we're only sitting at 2,500 right now. But Social Blade says that that's going to happen, so it is on me to post content that you guys will enjoy. So if you guys have any vehicle recommendations, you guys want me to do like all sorts of different videos of different cars, I don't care. There's another video that will be posted tomorrow, which is actually the day after today. So today is Thursday. I'm recording this Thursday night. It's like 11 o'clock at night right now. I'm going to post this on Friday, and then I will record Saturday's video tomorrow. So there's big things coming up. Plus, once the weather gets a little bit warmer, I will finally be able to go back outside. I will be able to do the things that I want to do. I have a couple projects that I need to get done. The Camaro is finally going to hit the streets. For those of you guys that don't know about it, I'm building a Dale Earnhardt replica car, which is a third-gen Camaro. So that will be done this year. We'll be out on the streets. Whether or not I do the motor swap or not, that is still up in the air. Now, it does have a 305 right now. We are still teetering with what we want to do with that car. So there's a lot of big things coming up. I want to do stuff to the Duramax. So if you guys enjoy automotive content, show some support to the little channels and subscribe. That's it. That's all you gotta do. You gotta click that little subscribe button down below and then hit that little bell notification so you get notified whenever I post a video. Till next time, guys, enjoy the rest of the clips. I'll see ya.
Thank you. like, fuck it. Yes, you did.